welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a very chill vlog. You know, I'm watching the Grammys right now. It's Sunday. I'll be posting my favorite people on my Instagram story, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. That will really help me and my channel. So like I was saying, it's a very chill vlog. I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit. It's a little messy, just, you know, dust and cleaning around. Maybe vacuum my carpet, because, you know, my hair falls out all the time, so I have hair on my carpet. But other than that, we're just gonna be doing that today. And I was watching some scary movies. I was watching Dead Silence. I was watching One Missed Call. I was like, and we're gonna probably, after the Grammys and later on, probably watch Coming to America. So let's get right into this cleaning. I think I'm gonna put my hair up because, you know, your girl's gonna get like so I'm just gonna put my hair up so I can get all the hair on my face. Okay, so we look like this. So I just have a little bit of cleaning around. Let me give you a little overview. I mean, every person's room is not always perfect and clean all the time, so I'm gonna give y'all like my reality in my room. So okay, I have my towel I just washed. I got some jackets. I need to make up my bed. I have little things on my dresser that I need to clean up. So I just put those there. A bear. Like, see, this is just like, girl, we need to clean our room. I'm not a person that has like a very messy room. Like, I always keep my stuff organized. If I am trying on clothes, I put my clothes back, because, you know, I don't want all that pile of mess in my room or something like that. So this is like the messiest my room will ever get. So let's get right into it. I'm just gonna clean up around, and then I'm gonna start wiping down things dusty and, you know, all the good things. And look at my shirt, guys. I mentioned this, I don't know what video I did, but this is the Greetings New York City. This is from the Netflix show To All the Boys I Loved Before, and I really like the shirt. It looks really cute. I paired it with some biker shorts, and don't mind my face sucks, but yeah, I paired it with some biker shorts, and I made this necklace. That's cute. But let's get right into it. I really need a new tripod because this little tripod I just ain't doing it. And I think it's broken too. I had it since I had a camera like when I was like 11, 12. When I wanted to start my YouTube channel, I got like a little mini tripod and all that stuff. So let's just clean up around. I think I'm gonna do my vanity. So we're gonna see me clean. Just gotta clean up a little bit of things.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about that right now. I'll spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I was trying to play my part.
Looking a little bit more tidy after I made my bed, because I feel like my bed makes a big part of my room, how like dirty it makes it. That's just the way it looks sometimes. My room does look a little better when my bed is made. I just have a little bit of clothes laying around, like sometimes it'll be like my pajama clothes. Okay, now I'm gonna start wiping down my vanity. I'm gonna take the things off my vanity so I can wipe down everything else. Okay, I took everything off my vanity, so now I'm gonna wipe it. See how it comes out. I love when my vanity is so clean and like wiped down, because it feels so fresh when I like sit there. I'm like, oh, wow, my vanity is so clean. So I'm gonna wipe that down now. My glass cleaner that is antibacterial, so it's like a 2-in-1. So I love this stuff, so I'm gonna wipe it down.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about that right now. I'll spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause
I just wiped down my vanity. I'm just gonna, in a little bit, I'll wipe down like some of my products that were up there. So now I'm gonna clean my mirror. like paper towel to hold the Clorox wipe because I don't have any gloves with me. Also, gonna use my charger. So now I'm just wiping down my laptop, just any dirtiness that's on my laptop. I'm just gonna wipe it down with some of my electronic wipes. That's what I'm using for my laptop. I don't use anything else to wipe it down. Today was a really pretty chill day. It was kind of chilly anyway, so I couldn't really do anything. And let me know down in the comments what video ideas y'all would like to see, because I would like to know. I'll say on Clorox. Oh my god. I would like to know what y'all want to see, so just let me know down in the comments what videos you would like to see, because that really helped me out. I finally took off all the stickers. Let me blow y'all up. I finally took off all the stickers off my laptop because I wasn't feeling it anymore. So the only ones I left are the ones that my mom got me a while back. They were the Stranger Things stickers. So I just left these two on my laptop, but I might change it. Who knows? So I just wanted like a very clean look. Not no more stickers. I wasn't feeling it anymore. So, and if you have a laptop, I really like this. This is what I use for my editing or like hold my laptop. This really helps elevate it so my neck won't be looking down too much and it'll have it like eye level for me. And I love about it is because it also helps with the heating, because my laptop will overheat sometimes. So I'm start making that noise because it's like getting hot. So I like this because it like lets all the air out and it feels good on my laptop, and it's really helping my laptop a lot. And I really like this, and I got this on Amazon. So this was like probably like what, 20-30 bucks, but it's been doing wonders for me and I love it so much. I can take it anywhere with me and it's that great. So let you know, if you have a laptop, get one of these because these are a lifesaver and you will really enjoy it. And they have different colors too, so if you're wondering, they have different colors, but I just got the color to match with my laptop. So I just have a little bit of cleaning. I just have my clock that I need to change. Just okay, so I'm just gonna get unready with y'all. Honestly, I'm just gonna take off my makeup. I'm gonna show y'all like a new technique that I've been doing. Like basically like 2 days ago. I took off my earrings and my necklace. I'm wanting to use a Garnier because I haven't used that in a while. I used to use it like probably a few years ago, but I stopped using it, and I have a pink towel that I can wipe down my face, you know, like to take off makeup, and I want to start using that. So I needed some cleaner. So I used to love the Garnier one. I was debating on which one to get. So I just got the original one, the pink one. This is the pink towel I have. I don't know where I got this from. I know my mom gave me one. I think she got it from Walmart. I'm not sure. So you can see I took off some makeup right there. It's way better than using like makeup wipes and stuff like that. And plus I didn't have any like my oil cleanser that I use from Pond's. So I was like, let me just get this and start using my towel. Yeah, I'm using this Garnier Skin Active Water Rose Micellar Cleansing Water. And it's all in one. It removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates. So that's the one I'm using to take off my makeup, so y'all can see it before. And then just start wiping it off with this towel, and it takes off everything. Like, I'll give y'all like a side view. What this towel does and what the micellar water does, it does magic, and it does not harsh your skin at all. So that's what I love about it. And just a little bit on my eyes so I can moist up my mascara so I can take some of it off. That does so much wonders. Like, look at my skin, is amazing. Look at that. My face feels so clean. And all I just use is that corner. And then once I fill this up with so much makeup, then I just throw it in the washer, and then I just reuse it, and it saves a lot of money, honestly. If you think about it, you save money. I think now I'm gonna just take a rinse, because I just washed my hair yesterday, literally, so it does not need to be unwashed. And I've been, honestly guys, I've been like addicted to Shein because I've been on that website every day. I'm telling y'all, like every day I've been looking at some clothes. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna buy this next. I have some wish list saved. Hey, so I just got out of the shower. I feel so clean. So now I'm just gonna do my nighttime skincare, and I want to show you right after this cute little pajama set that my boyfriend got me because it was so cute. So I'm gonna buy you a pajama set. So he got me a pajama set, and I really like it. It's from Hollister. The thing is, it's a little big on me because I told him size small, but he said no, the medium is gonna fit you. I'm like, probably the top but not the bottom, but I really like this, and it's so cute. So I'm just gonna tone my face with my toner and just clean it off. just to make sure if I have any leftover makeup, I'm cleaning it right off. It looks like I pretty much got everything. Water cleanser because it takes off everything for use in the shower. So now I'm gonna use my Timmy Vitamin C serum. If you haven't already, I have a coupon code. Everything is always in the description, and I freaking love it. I usually do 1 pump, and my battery's dying. I love that. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Put this all over my face. Okay, sorry, did my battery die? But I was saying for the vitamin C serum, it's like so good. It soaks into your skin really fast. Like you don't have to wait a while. It's just, it goes in your skin so quickly, like less than a minute, and that's what I love about it. You can see that nice glow. And then lastly, I just use my Total Gateway moisturizer. I'm literally almost out. I can finish it this month. And look at that. And then with my hair, you can really get into my neck and chest. And we're all done with my skincare. I'm gonna show a little bit. So this is what it looks like. It just has a moon, sun, and another moon. And it just says Hollister, and I like that. So I'm gonna show you on the mirror what it it's just very flowy, you know, very nice thin cotton. Very nice thin cotton, and it does have pockets. That's what I love about it. It has pockets. And I just have to fold it because it's a little long on me and big, so I have to fold it up. But other than that, this is what it looks like, and it's super cute, girly girl vibes. I love that. So I am exhausted. I'm gonna watch a movie with my mom. Probably watch Coming to America part 2. I think that's what it is. I watched part 1 last week, and it was really funny. Thank you, boos, so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. If you haven't watched my recent video with the cake, minimalistic cakes from like Pinterest and stuff like that, don't forget to check it out. It's a really funny video, and it's really cute how my cake came out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.